I never quite know what level to pitch this at, of course, because I don't know how much cooking people do. So if it's too basic, let me know. But we grow a lot of our own food, and I was hoping that most of the ingredients that I brought today would be ours. But my onions have rotted this year. I think just the wet weather. And some of the other ingredients I would have used have been spoiled by the snow and things. So it's a bit of a... There are techniques to stop you chopping your fingers as well. The main thing is to remember you've got nails on the end of them. So if you run the knife down your nails, you're not going to chop the end of your fingers off. And it gives you a sort of guide if you're trying to cut quite small sections or something. There's always awkward bits at the end that you've got to deal with slightly differently. So I'm going to start getting some onion on to tick over. The other dish I'm doing also uses onion. It's a tart which is thought to be the basis of the pizza, but came before the pizza really. So, a bit of olive oil. I don't always use olive oil. A lot of people seem to have gone over to using olive oil all the time. Sometimes the flavour's too strong for a lot of things. But for these particular ones, make the sort of sweetness come out of them. And this one works that way too. But it's dill seed normally rather than dill leaves, and I couldn't find the dill seed. We'll see what I can do.
That's it, the Master Chef in action.
No, anti-Master Chef. So a few cheap olives as well, which I don't mind cooking rather than get them in out of the frost. It's the frost that damages the leaves, the wetness and frost that damages them. So we keep our polytunnel quite dry in the winter, and they seem to manage quite well. You know. And I've even got some little bits of spinach here, which is good, £2. But she cooks it as a thing to take on picnics, and you have it cold, and it's delicious. I have to say. This cold eggs doesn't sound right, does it? But it works. It works. So, the mixture of the mint and the egg, it takes that kind of excessive egginess away from it, and you get a really nice subtle flavour that goes with the spinach. So that's another one that's wonderful.